Mindful Audio is a portable music player designed to help you enjoy your favorite healing audios more conveniently. To make audio playback easy for everyone, we have preloaded valuable Mindful Audio healing audio on the accompanying SD card. And you can also download audios into SD card through a USB cable. On the back of the player, there are 4 Ho'opono sentence mantra: I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you, which can constantly clean up the inner part and let you feel powerful. Basic operations. Press the power switch to turn on Mindful Audio. When the SD card is inserted, the audio will automatically play music saved in the SD card. When there is no SD card in the device, it will automatically turn on Bluetooth. Press the switch button to change between SD card, Bluetooth, computer speakers. Press the 0 to 9 keys to directly select the desired track. For example, the 11th track, press 00 and 11 twice respectively. 3 seconds after pressing the buttons, the device will confirm and start playing, or else press the back key for the previous audio and press the forward key for the next audio. If you'd like to repeat one track, short press the repeat button during playing. The screen shows fold. Ignore it and short press the repeat button again. The screen shows 1. To stop repeating, short press the repeat button during use, and the screen shows all. How to connect via Bluetooth. Press switch button to switch to Bluetooth mode. BT displays on the screen. Turn on the Bluetooth of your mobile phone or tablet. Find the Bluetooth device named Mindful Audio and click to pair and connect. If there are multiple devices paired to your Mindful Audio, it will automatically connect to the device same as the previous time. Caution: for the safety of yourself and the device, please use a certified power adapter. Please store and use this product at normal temperature. Do not expose this product to rain or humid environment. Do not throw or hit with this product. Learn more about Mindful Audio at frequencyheals.com.